Hi, second grade. Happy Monday. So, this week we're going to be focusing on plants in science. And our learning goal for today is I can identify ways that seeds travel. So, step one of learning about plants, we've got to kind of learn where they come from. And they come from, that's right, plants come from seeds. So, we need to figure out how those seeds got there. My first goal for you today is I want you to make a prediction. In a journal or on a piece of paper you have, or maybe by just telling somebody that's at home with you, make a prediction. What are 2 ways you think that seeds travel? I have a sentence starter right here for you if you need one. I think seeds travel by. So I want you to come up with 2 ideas, 2 predictions. How do you think seeds travel? And I want you to write that down. I'm going to have you pause the video, and then when you're done writing, you can hit play again. Go ahead and pause now so you can write. All right, now that you've got your 2 predictions, let's see if we can learn and find out. I want you to watch this video with me. So I'm going to go and watch it, and you're going to pause this video and watch it as well. It is linked in to your daily lesson slides on the science page. So there was the link to this video, and then right below it is the link to the video I want you to watch now. So go ahead and pause and go watch that. Okay, I know, a little silly. That song was maybe not the greatest, but we got to figure out how seeds move somehow. So I want you to go in your journal now and write one new thing that you learned. And here's a sentence starter for you. I learned that. So what was one new thing you learned from the video? Go ahead and hit play when you're done writing, but I'm going to have you pause now. All right, last activity for science today. I have a challenge, an adventure for you to go on. I want you to go outside with an adult or someone at home with you, and I want you to go on a seed hunt. Can you find any acorns? Can you find any helicopters? How do you think they got there? What method did they travel by? After you go on your adventure, I want you to write and draw about it in your journal. That's it for science today. I would love if you want to share your adventure with me. You are more than welcome to do that. I'm so excited, and I will get to see you again tomorrow to teach science then. Bye, guys.